Hi, my name is Ali Novak, and today we're going to talk about Builderall MailingBoss and email marketing for beginners. So basically with email marketing, you basically have some type of lead magnet. You're basically giving something away for free. So the person opt into your landing page or squeeze page to basically get something for free. So you basically want to build that relationship, you want to build the trust with that lead. So you don't want to sell every time. So you basically want to take them through a 30-day email sequence, and you really want to build that trust and that relationship with that lead. So you really want to think about that long-term value of that lead. So you don't want to sell all the time. Now, if you have already established a relationship with that lead, and they're opening your emails, then you want to have some links in there and you want to sell, but you don't want to sell all the time. So you always want to provide valuable content for your leads. You want to keep them engaged. So I'm going to give you guys some tips for email marketing. So tip number one is you want to build a relationship with your email list. So the customer signed up for something for free, so you don't want to sell right away. So you basically want to provide valuable information that's going to help them. You want to deliver on your promise of that free, valuable information. So for example, you want to give away something for free on fitness or weight loss. You want to solve their problem. You want to help them. So you want to send them some videos giving them advice or tips somewhere so they can get more information. This will help to build a relationship, and once they see what you look like, you're able to build that trust, you're able to build that relationship. It's not how big of a list you have, it's all about the relationship when you are building your email list. Okay, so tip number two is you want to put time into your subject line. So basically the subject line decides if the customer is going to open the email or not. So the subject line is one of the most important things for your email. So you really want to think about something catchy, this way they open it. And you don't want to make it too spammy. You want to make the headline like a YouTube title. You want to think about what is your email about. You want to make them curious, this way they open it. Something like weight loss secrets revealed. Something like that is catchy and they will open it. So tip number three is you want to keep the email short and you want to keep it to the point. People do not read their emails all the way through. They basically scan their email and they want to get to the point. So basically you want to keep the fluff out. You don't want to overthink the email. You just want to say what you want to say and that's it. So you want to keep it short. So tip number four is you want to space out the text in the email. So at max you want to have 3 lines together. So basically people, they don't read their email, they scan it. So when it's spaced out, it makes it easier to read. So for example, thank you for subscribing to my email list, space, here is your free ebook about whatever, space, and then you continue from there. So you basically want to keep it short, you want to get to the point, and if you put some valuable tips in there, the person, they will read it, they will open it. Also, you can look at your competitor, you can opt into their email, and you can see what they do and you can see what works. So tip number 5 is you want to send them to another funnel. So just because they opt in once doesn't mean you can't send them somewhere else. So you want to send them to a blog post or a YouTube video. You want to keep them interested and you want to keep them engaged by using content. So you always want to provide valuable content. The video does not have to be yours. It can be somebody else's as long as it's helpful and solves their problem. So you can also send them to a funnel that you put together that also has some type of valuable information, and you can have whatever you are promoting at the end of the funnel, whatever you're selling, put it at the end, and you will be able to sell your product. Tip number 6 is segmenting, which basically means you're separating the people based on what emails they are opening and what links they are clicking on in the emails. So if the person is not clicking on the links, you want to send them through an email sequence that has more valuable information, and you don't want to put any promotional links in the emails. and the person who is clicking on the links in the email sequence, maybe you want to send that person through an email sequence where there are no promotional links and there's just more valuable information. So you want to keep them engaged, you want to use that valuable content. Okay, so my last tip for you guys is tip number 7. You want to treat your email list like you are talking to the person one-on-one. So you want to talk to them like a friend. You want to make it like a conversation. So you can have an opt-in page where the person puts in their first name, and then you can take that first name, you can put it in the subject line, and you can make the email more personal. So this is another way of building the relationship, building that trust with that person by using their first name. Now the opt-in rate, it might go down, there is a possibility of that, but then again, it might help in the long run. So you basically have to test this out, you have to see how it works. That's basically all the tips, all the advice I have for you guys. So what you want to do is you want to go through these tips, and you want to have that long email sequence. You want to have that 30-day email sequence. You want to build that relationship with your lead, with your customer. Now before I end this video, I want to show you how you can have unlimited email marketing forever. So let's first look at some other platforms that also offer email marketing. Now here you have Aweber, where if you have 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, it is about $69 per month. Now if you have 10,000 to 25,000 subscribers in your email list, it's $149 per month. Now as you can see, this can be quite expensive for someone who is just starting out. And as I went through my video, you guys can see how important email marketing is. Now, GetResponse, you have for a 5,000 subscriber list, it's $49 per month. Now, if you have 10,000 people in your list, it's $165 per month. Now, for 100,000 people plus, it is about $1,200 per month. Now, the best way to afford email marketing unlimited forever is MailingBoss. Now, see, here you have unlimited email marketing forever. So basically, it's a one-time fee, and you have lifetime access for unlimited email marketing forever. Okay, so with MailingBoss, you have unlimited email marketing forever. Now this is only for limited time only. Now as you scroll down, you can see everything that's included in MailingBoss. And as you scroll down, you basically pay a one-time fee of $50, and you have unlimited subscribers, unlimited sending, unlimited email marketing forever. You have a lifetime MailingBoss account. You have all the features you need to get started. You have the video training to help you. You have a private Facebook group. Everything here is listed that's included. Now I'll show you MailingBoss just so you can see a few things and what it has to offer. So this is basically what the MailingBoss looks like. Now this is something new here that I've started. Now I can't show you everything because then I'm going to be showing people's information, so I can't show everything. But over here you have your subscribers. Here you have access to your list here, so you can view your email list by clicking on this. You have access to your tools over here by clicking tools. And then it comes up, you can sync your subscribers here. You can split your list over here. Now if you click on this, this gives you access to your campaigns, your email regular, that's for your email broadcast. You have your email sequence, that's your email autoresponder. You can have custom tags. The workflow, that's something new that they've added. So that's basically it. One-time fee of $50, and you can have the unlimited email marketing forever for a one-time fee of $50. Now this is only for a limited time only. Okay, so click the link below the video. Check this out. This is for limited time only. So you pay a one-time fee of $50 and you get lifetime access for unlimited email marketing forever. You have access to unlimited subscribers, unlimited sending. Now if you guys have any questions, comment below the video, let me know. And like this video, subscribe, and click the link below the video. Make sure you guys check this out because this is for limited time only. And I'll see you guys in the next video.